All right, guys, repeat customer has been using me for years now, and yeah, so great customer, and just so happens she watches me on YouTube. So that doesn't happen much as locally as far as customers finding me. That's why I initially started filming, by the way, was to attract local customers, but that really, it didn't turn into that. It turned into entrepreneur type of channel. So anyway, so got the backpack on. Some people feel a way about putting the backpack on, you know. They'll carry your backpack sprayer around. Weird, because I can go through a house. You're putting 4 gallons of solution in these things sometimes, and your arm gets worn out. It gets tiring, right? That's why they make it a backpack. And it's the conversation starter, guys. You know, I say part-time carpet cleaner, or full-time carpet cleaner, part-time Ghostbuster. You know, get some laughs sometimes. But yeah, I love the backpack sprayer, guys, and especially these right here, flow zones. PSI on here is amazing. So, all right. So we're doing a Green Rhino cocktail. It's a wall-to-wall pet treatment. Best pet treatment on the planet. Works the best, guys, and it saves you money, right? So more profit, okay? I'm not charging any more than the next carpet cleaner for pet treatments, you know, professional. Yet I get to put more in my pocket, you know? And that's what it's all about. Some guys are spending $100 a gallon on pet treatment and using a gallon or two on a job. You know, how much you got to charge a customer now? It's crazy to make a profit. Yeah, anyway, it doesn't make sense. You're gonna have to charge the customer so much money that they probably won't call you back again in order to make a profit. Anyway, I'm gonna finish this.
Oh my God.
Gone. Burn this back again for a while here. Secret weapon. So yeah, when we scrub these floors, doing a full pet treatment, especially, even though it doesn't look dirty, we still agitate the chemistry into the fibers. If you're not doing that, you're not going to get the best benefit from the Green Rhino cocktail or any pet treatment, really. You know, it just helps. Got the little shark out. I do prefer the power flat. I gotta fix the power cord on that thing though, just because it's wider. It seems to get through the carpet a lot quicker. But yeah, go ahead and follow her now. She's gonna work her way out around through here, and I'm gonna follow her with the wand. Teamwork, you know. Part-time Ghostbuster, guys. The backpack sprayer flows. This got like 110 psi, which is plenty. You fly through pre-spraying with this thing. You know, similar to a Hydroforce, right? But I don't like Hydroforces because the concentration. I feel like I'm wasting a lot of product. I don't like it. Rather have each job monitored specifically for the job, that way I'm not wasting product. And you can get a little fancy with your your chemistry, fancier with your chemistry, your mixes, right? Like I got the Green Rhino cocktail. You can't do a Green Rhino cocktail in Hydroforce, right? It's just, yeah, yeah, it ain't gonna work out too good, I believe. Anyway. All right, guys, that's it for this one. Wrapping it up. See how organized everything is? A little bit more cluttered than I'd hoped, but we're doing tile job. Got the Namco in there. Next job is going to be the Namco action for pre-scrubbing. It's just a small tile job, or else I would bring out my Viper. But yeah.
Green Rhino.
All right, job 2. We got some carpet, resoiled, a couple bedrooms. No pet treatment in this one. And we're gonna do this tile here. First tile. Easy cleaning. All right, so this is Namco. It's got the towel brushes in here. Great for, great. You know, I've used this to pre-scrub for all my jobs for years and years and years. This or the Power Flight. But now I got the Viper, and I love that. But for small jobs and to have something in your van all the time, to where you run into a job to where they want to add a kitchen while you're there, and you don't have all your tools, that sucks. But these are small enough you can keep in your van. Either that or having the CRB and having towel brushes you can switch over, right? So, you know. So anyway, she's gonna scrub with that, and while I'm extracting. Nice and scrubbed. All right, guys, all finished up. That's it for the day. Leave both tickets at the end of the video. If you guys are looking to get into the business, you know I have Green Rhino Academy. Link below underneath all of my videos. Plus, we have a private Facebook group too for ongoing support. So, yeah. So go ahead and but you got to be a Green Rhino Academy member to get in there. So, yep. See you in the next one.